it's your girl Samantha K here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. So let's not waste any time, let's get right into today's video. Okay y'all, so I'm getting ready for my sister's party. We're doing like a surprise party for her. So yeah, right now it's 8:41. So that's why I look asleep. Let me try to put my hair up. I think I'm just going to do a half up, half down type of look. I think I'm probably gonna leave these two out. I don't know. But yeah, I'm trying to hurry up because the party starts at 11, but everybody has to be there at like 10. And so I'm just really trying to hurry up. Now, the only thing with me is hurrying is not in the plan. Yeah. I like to wear it like that. Look at my mirror to see if it's even. Okay, now I'm just gonna pull these back for now. And I'm gonna go in with my edge effect. My face is dry right now. I still haven't prepped, but I like to do my eyebrows first and then prep my skin, just so you know I won't have any problems while doing my brows. The e.l.f. Sun Kiss drops. Just gonna put a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my Studio Perfect primer. I went to Ulta and picked up this e.l.f. Poreless Putty. I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place foundation. This is shade 310. And with this product, I'm starting to realize like a little goes a long way. So you literally just have to put like a dime size. And I have to try to like blend before the product like dries, because this product dries really fast on my face. And so it'll be like dots where I didn't blend everything in. I'm gonna use these two Juvia concealers, and this is shade 12 and 13. Okay, and then now I'm gonna add the other one, shade 13. And I'm just gonna add this like just a little bit towards the ends. Just want to brighten everything up. This is the shade Zambia, and I don't know if it's called the shade stick or the contour stick. Blend this out because I put a little bit too much on my forehead, so I'm just going in with my foundation beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend that out. There you go. Just so it won't just look like a big blob of concealer there. And then I'm going to try to blend at the same time. Blend my eyes out at the same time so that I can control where they both go. Now I'm going to be taking my True Complexion Contour Palette, the shade Medium, and I'm going to just be mixing these two colors. I'm gonna contour my nose with this, with the Trailblazer. I'm going in with my Sasha Buttercup. Y'all already know the shade Banana Powder. I'm gonna take my Morphe first. Fit Me Pressed Powder. I'm just gonna be brushing it all over my face just to kind of even everything out. I'm gonna use this palette. This is like an old palette. As y'all can see, it's been through a lot. I don't even know what the name, ring the alarm, but I don't even know what the name of the palette is. Okay, I'm probably just going to put a little dark shade in there. I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place Blush Palette, Volume 2. Okay, y'all, so I'm just going back in and fixing up my nose contour. I'm going to be using these lashes. I got them off Amazon, but if y'all want to know, I'll leave it in the description box. Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. And to me, this is the best lash glue ever. And so I'm gonna just add that to them. I like to add the lash glue and then let it sit and then add like a line to my actual lash line. Okay, so while that sits, I have like a mole up here on my forehead. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's like, it's right here. Can y'all see it? It's right there. And every time I do my makeup, I cover it. I'm really tired of doing like a dark look, so I think I'm just gonna line my lips with this and then put like a lighter color on them. Let me line my lips while I wait on that. I'm gonna go in, y'all, my Master Chrome top broke, so I'm going in with that Master Chrome. I'm just adding it to my crease. Okay guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. This is the final look. Make sure to smash that subscribe button down below, turn on those post notifications, and comment what you'd like to see next. Until next time, bye!